WP Rocket is widely recognized as the #1 WordPress caching plugin, offering a comprehensive solution for improving website speed and performance. Here's why WP Rocket is an essential tool for bloggers, e-commerce stores, and freelancers. Why WP Rocket is #1. WP Rocket stands out due to its ease of use, powerful features, and proven results. It is designed to simplify the complex aspects of website optimization, making it accessible even for those with limited technical knowledge. Here's what makes WP Rocket the top choice: ease of use. WP Rocket requires no technical skills to set up. With its simple and intuitive interface, users can implement powerful caching and optimization settings with just a few clicks. Comprehensive caching. WP Rocket offers page caching, browser caching, and database optimization. It also includes features like gzip compression, which significantly reduces file sizes and improves loading times. Instant speed boost. Unlike other caching plugins that require complex configurations, WP Rocket starts working immediately after activation. This instant performance boost is crucial for maintaining visitor engagement and reducing bounce rates. Broad compatibility. WP Rocket is compatible with most WordPress themes and plugins, including popular e-commerce platforms like WooCommerce. This ensures smooth integration without any conflicts. WP Rocket for bloggers. For bloggers, speed is crucial to keep readers engaged and improve SEO rankings. WP Rocket helps by reducing load times. Faster loading times ensure that readers can access your content quickly, reducing the likelihood of them leaving before your page loads. Improving SEO. Google considers page speed a ranking factor. WP Rocket helps improve your site's speed, potentially boosting your search engine rankings. Enhanced user experience. A faster website provides a better user experience, encouraging readers to spend more time on your site and consume more of your content. WP Rocket for e-commerce stores. E-commerce stores can significantly benefit from WP Rocket through faster checkout process. Speed is critical in e-commerce. A fast-loading website reduces cart abandonment rates and improves conversion rates. Improved mobile performance. WP Rocket optimizes websites for mobile users, ensuring a seamless shopping experience across all devices. Scalability. As your store grows, WP Rocket helps maintain fast load times, ensuring a consistent user experience even with high traffic volumes. WP Rocket for freelancers. Freelancers can leverage WP Rocket to enhance their service offerings. Client satisfaction. Delivering fast-loading websites can impress clients and lead to more referrals and repeat business. Time efficiency. WP Rocket's easy setup and automatic optimizations save time, allowing freelancers to focus on other aspects of their projects. Versatility. Whether building a blog, a business site, or an e-commerce store, WP Rocket's flexibility makes it a valuable tool for a wide range of projects. Why you should use WP Rocket. WP Rocket offers numerous benefits that make it an indispensable plugin for any WordPress site. Improved performance. Speed up your website instantly and improve overall performance with minimal effort. Better SEO and UX. Enhance user experience and search engine rankings, driving more organic traffic to your site. Increased conversions. For e-commerce sites, faster load times directly contribute to higher conversion rates and increased sales. Excellent support. WP Rocket provides top-notch customer support, ensuring any issues are resolved quickly and efficiently. By choosing WP Rocket, you're investing in a tool that not only boosts your website's speed but also improves its overall effectiveness and user experience. Whether you're a blogger, run an e-commerce store, or offer freelance services, WP Rocket is the go-to solution for optimizing your WordPress site. Go to WP Rocket, link in video description.